I just want to make a quick video about these Pushgard 4-conductor push-in connectors. So I had some problems. I had a circuit breaker that kept popping and it was going off instantly. It was tripping instantly. So I thought there was a short. I went through and checked all the receptacle boxes that were on that circuit. Now, this is from an addition on my own home that I wired probably 4 or 5 years ago and never had any problems. So I started checking some of the boxes. First one I found, I had a 3-wire connector, and one of the wires pulled right out when I opened up the box. So I wire nutted that one. One of the other boxes where I actually found the problem that was causing this, you can see this one is a little charred there at the top. What was happening, just an extreme example, this isn't really exactly how far it was sticking out. It was less than that, but you can see the exposed wire here. If you don't strip, or if you strip too much wire and you push it in, you'll be left with some exposed. Now, it wasn't exposed that much, but there was a little bit of copper showing at the bottom. And what happened was their ground wire inside the box somehow ended up touching it like that. And you could actually see where the copper had like melted from where it was arcing. And I already threw away the wire that was in there, but you could tell that it had been heating up. This thing's a little bit charred. It seemed like it was still in there. It didn't seem loose. I think it was just the bare wire. So if you're going to use these, make sure you're not stripping too much wire. There's instructions on the box of these things that say how much to strip off. It's like 0.45 inches. Probably wouldn't hurt to wrap some electrical tape around it, but personally those are going to go in the trash. I'm not using them anymore. I'll use a wire nut. Save some trouble in the long run.